Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create shortcut on the desktop for the Resource Monitor tool on Windows 11 to facilitate access and open the application easier and faster. The Resource Monitor provides an in-depth look at how Windows manages your computer's resources. Resources are grouped into 4 categories: CPU, memory, disk, and network. In the video description, I will leave you a link to how to use the Resource Monitor tool and how to manage the available resources on your computer and get the most out of them. Let's get started quickly. Right-click on any empty space on the desktop, and from the menu click on New, and from the submenu select Shortcut. In this step, under the type the location of the item field, enter the command for Resource Monitor as it appears in front of you on the screen. I will leave you the command in the video description. Then in this step, enter a suitable name for the shortcut, and I will enter the name of the tool, which is Resource Monitor, and finally click on the Finish button. Thus, you can open the Resource Monitor tool quickly and easily. As I told you in the video description, I will leave you a link to explain how to use the Resource Monitor tool and benefit from it. Thank you for watching. I hope that the video is useful to you. I also hope that you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.